Hey guys, it's Jessica. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve bombshell curls, make it really pretty and full and fluffy. I'm going to show you how I achieved that using a wand curler. Now I got my wand curler, it's Conair. It looks like this. I got it from Walmart for about $20, maybe less than, with tax $20, and it does a phenomenal job. I do keep my temperature up high, so because I do keep it up high, I do use the Chi Iron Guard, which is just a heat protectant. So yeah, so let's get started. All right, I'm gonna be quiet now. Alright guys, so I said I was going to be quiet, but I just want to make sure you guys know exactly how to curl your hair in which direction. I'm a visual learner, but I decided I'm going to talk just a little bit. So you see I am wrapping the hair backwards around the barrel of the wand curler. So I am wrapping away from my face, and I hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds each curl. And even now you're gonna see me kind of figure it out, because even I sometimes get confused when you're trying to do it without a mirror at that. So I was using my camera as my mirror, and girl, hand-eye coordination sometimes. Woo. Woo chale. So if you notice, I am just keeping the hair flat so that the heat penetrates each strand of hair, and I let it sit there for about, like I said, 10 to 15 seconds. Please excuse this clothes tie under my armpit. I didn't even see it until I was editing, and guys, I did not feel like filming this, so here you go. At the end of my like towards the bottom of my hair, so the layers under, I tend to just curl the bottom, and I still hold it the same amount of time so the curls stay tight, but I only curl the bottom half of it. I don't try to go up to the root or up further than what you can see right here. Still wrapping the hair around backwards on the barrel. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet now. Enjoy. Alright guys, so I have curled my hair and I actually let it sit to let it cool before I comb out my curls to give you that wave, that body, that volume that we want to see. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now when you're curling the front, try to, like you saw how I was wrapping around, wrap backwards around your curls because that allows it to go out like that. You'll see. So let's go ahead and comb out. You actually need a more of a wide tooth comb, but I don't have that option. So matter of fact, instead of using a comb, let's just finger through it. Let's do that. Voila. See? Voila. Okay, let's do the other side. And just like that, you have these voluminous curls on your hair. And it's pretty perfect for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for just the holidays in general, New Year's, and you feel very va-va-voom, very sexy, very flirty. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. All right, bye.